Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. Here is your 3-day weather forecast. Today's general situation: fair weather conditions expected due to high pressure ridging, and a plume of Saharan dust moves into the area. Special warnings: the heat index is very high. At this condition, heat cramps and heat exhaustion are likely. Heat stroke is probable with continued activity due to the presence of Saharan dust. Persons with respiratory or heart disease, the elderly, and children should limit activities of prolonged or heavy exertion. And for your weather, partly sunny and hazy with isolated showers possible. Mostly fair with isolated shower or thunderstorms possible tonight. Advisory: a heat warning is in effect. A heat warning is issued when the heat index reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds east to southeast at 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 feet or less near shore, up to 4 feet offshore. Daytime high temperature 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat index 111 degrees Fahrenheit. Overnight low temperature 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset is at 7:35 p.m. Your next high tide is at 12:19 p.m. Your next low tide is at 6:33 p.m. Let's move on now to your extended forecast for the next 2 days. The ridge extending from Bermuda to Azores High will dominate the area throughout the forecast period. The Saharan dust is expected to linger until the end of the work week. For Thursday, your weather: isolated showers or thunderstorms possible during the day. Partly to mostly sunny with a near high of 91. Mostly fair at night with a low around 81. Winds east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 feet or less near shore, up to 4 feet offshore. Sunrise is at 6:08 a.m. Sunset is at 7:35 p.m. Friday's forecast: partly to mostly sunny with a high near 92. Fair at night with a low around 81. Winds easterly at 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 feet or less near shore, up to 4 feet offshore. Sunrise is at 6:08 a.m. Sunset is at 7:35 p.m. And for your tropical weather outlook: over the western Caribbean and southwestern Gulf of Mexico, a tropical wave over the central Caribbean Sea is producing disorganized shower activity while it moves quickly westward at around 25 miles per hour. This system has a 20% chance of formation through the next 7 days. In the eastern tropical Atlantic, a tropical wave located a few hundred miles southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. This system has a 30% chance of formation through the next 7 days. That is a 3-day weather forecast issued today, June 26, 2024, by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.